Okay, so I'm not sure if it's a bad capacitor that I put in it or what, but the motor won't really start on its own. Draws that on startup current. This is a 30-inch motor with a 24-inch blade on it. So I'm not sure if it's really designed, if it's designed to only go 500 RPM. I don't think these motors were designed to go faster than this on low. I want to wire it up for high. Let's see what happens. Seven amps, which is bad. Which means it's got a burnt motor. Sucks. I was hoping it wouldn't be like this. But it is. This is just a parts fan now, sadly. But I didn't pay much for it, so I'll be able to sell it in the fan meet soon.